First step, we're gonna pull the handbrake up, pull the boot down and off, and then we're gonna wanna pry this tab up so that we can pull the handle up with it. It is an interference fit, so it could be a little tight. Once you wiggle it loose, you wanna give it a good tug, and you're gonna pop off the button with the rest of the handle. Unhinge the ball stud just by pulling this down so that we have it out of the way. Remove the 2mm hex screws. Separate the clamshell and set the rest of the assembly off to the side for the moment. And take the clamshell and press it onto the e-brake as close as you can to this little notch. Then you want to take the assembly, line it up with these screws, and put our 2mm Allen screws back in place. You can start by hand tightening them, then finish them off with the Allen key. Down by the seat rail, we've already gone ahead and installed our seat bracket that has our ball stud. You can go ahead and take the ball stud latch and pull down the quick release to latch it onto the ball screw. Then you can release the e-brake and then latch it on top. This is a threaded rod, so you can adjust it, tighten it down so that when you pull your stick, it doesn't go anywhere. Run the wiring underneath the trim all the way up to the OBD2 port. Plug in the red OBD2 port and then push in the clips so that you can push it back and close the door behind it. Once you have the stick fully installed, pull the handle up so you can access the mini USB port. This is what you'll be using to flash the ABS software onto the car. With the vehicle on, software flashed, stick installed, navigate through the menus and put your car into drift mode, and then push and hold the ESC button for 5 seconds so that you can turn it off. Once the ESC notification comes up on the screen, your stick is ready to be used.